Eureka Desert Canyon is a cabin-style 10 by 10 feet tent that comes in either 4 or 6 person model. It is an ideal tent for backyards, festivals, and family campgrounds. The Desert Canyon is a rugged cabin-style 3-season tent built to withstand the wear and tear of wind, weather, and family weekends. Its vertical walls dramatically increases the interior space, while extended eaves provide a completely dry entry to the tent. You can also pitch the fly and frame lawn to create an open-walled sunshade for summer picnics. The tent is compatible with Eureka's Camp Comfort Sleep System, which provides 3 layers of non-slip material to keep campers in place even on sloped surfaces. It has a gear caddy and 4 storage pockets to keep essentials close at hand and within easy reach, while the large carry bag allows for quick and easy backup and transport. The interior of the tent has the peak height of 7 feet, which provides ample headroom for the tallest campers, and its spacious design allows you to walk around inside the tent easily. This cabin-style tent is reliable, easy to use, and packed with features that campers care about and will need while camping. This 100 square feet tent is made of polyester taffeta material, can withstand rain, and has waterproofing. The floor also provides waterproof, mud, and element-free experience. This tent weighs around 11 kg and available on Amazon at $220. Zempire Delta Force is the largest and the most comfortable single inflation point canvas tent for a large family or group of friends camping. It has 3 spacious bedrooms with all the camping bliss and convenience. The tent is fully inflatable, breathable, very quick, and easy to set up. The entire tent inflates from one single valve opening, speeding up inflation time. This large shaded awning area provides an outdoor living space protected from sun and rain. The protected lower bedroom vents allow airflow during warm conditions, which can also be closed during cool weather. The large mesh windows at front and rear of the tent also contributes to airflow through the tent. Combined with PVC upper panels, the mesh windows provide total control over airflow and privacy. The large extended head height area provides space for relaxing and entertaining away from the bedrooms. The Zempire Delta Force is large and spacious enough to house 8 people. There would still be spaces left to keep all your camping accessories and furniture, and as well as all the rations. The tent is made of polycotton and the ground is sewn in, offering protection against water and the bugs. This 264 square foot tent also has power cord access in the front and rear. tent weighs 70 kg when packed and available online at $4,500. The Kodiak Canvas 12 by 9 cabin tent is not a backpacking tent, however an ideal tent for camping outside with ease and comfort. The tent weighs around 55 kg and excels in many areas. This is a spacious 4-season tent that will work just as well, keeping you warm in frigid or wet weather as it will be keeping you shaded and cool in warm weather. The tent boasts a ton of windows that open up to create a very airy and open feel. It has 5 windows with no C-mesh and sidewall rolls up for openness and ventilation, which can also be extended out with poles to convert into a small awning. It has spacious 7.5 feet peak ceiling height and steep walls so that you can stand up or walk around the tent with comfort. The tent also has a large D-shaped front door and side entry. Its Hydra shield is 100% cotton duck canvas, which makes the tent durable, watertight and breathable. Its starter frame is reinforced with welded corner braces, stainless steel, wire stake loops. The tent is suitable to be used year-round. However, it is not designed to withstand extreme winter mountaineering or heavy snow accumulations. With spacious design, this tent can hold up to 6 people and costs around $760 on Amazon. The Woodview 600 is a large inflatable 6-person tent made of Robins Hydrotex Polycotton RS, a type fabric that has been developed and suitable for the rigors of the family camping. This fabric can maintain a stable internal microclimate by allowing water vapor to pass, while keeping the water out. That makes the tent also waterproof, and the tent can withstand heavy rain and wind quite easily. This tough, fast-drying fabric is a mix between 35% of cotton and 65% of polyester with UV inhibitors and a DWR coating finish to add longevity to the fabric. This tent is quick and easy to pitch and uses an interlinked inflatable frame for stability. Its UNAD aluminum alloy pole creates a large porch for sheltered outside living and all-weather protection of the front door and window. This is a tent for family and friends camping trips and can house up to 6 people inside. The inner of the tent is divided into 2 sleeping areas in 3+3 configuration. The low vents beneath the side windows work in conjunction with the rear vent to aid in airflow, keeping the inside of the tent cool in hot weather. The front door is backed with a mesh panel to to keep the tent insect-free. The large pole front canopy provides additional shelter outside the living space. The tent weighs around 30 kg and available on Amazon below $1,800. Outwell Collingwood tents are great for 5 to 6 person family camping and offers great space, comfort and affordability. Collingwood enjoys three-zone versatility, a front area to leave wet outdoor gear and clothing, a dry living area, and the bedrooms, making this tent the most ideal tent for big families and group friends to enjoy their holidays. With several windows, this light-filled design has steep sides and front for maximum usable space, ample ventilation, D-door and a side door. The steep sides of the tent maximizes the space of the living area, giving lots of room for camping furniture and storing your valuables. The large porch is perfect for wet gear. You can toggle up the mud flaps for extra ventilation on hot days. Double zips allow full front opening backed by full mesh panel for insect-free ventilation option. The bedrooms feature a versatile 360-degree access system and additional size door for flexible access. It has large tinted windows reducing glare and ensuring privacy and helping you get a long sleep even in broad daylight. The floor of this tent is a Seonian ground sheet made of double-coated waterproof 100% polyethylene, which gives the tent maximum protection against dirt, elements and insects. The Outwell Collingwood is also fire retardant and can protect you against adverse conditions like heavy rain. This is the perfect tent for your family camping tour if you are looking for a comfortable camping outside experience, as it is very spacious and you can use camping furniture and gears for more convenience without having to worry about space at all. This tent weighs a little over 22 kg and available on Amazon at below $800. Coleman Festival Octagon Tent is a spacious 8-person tent and a real eye-catcher on any campsite thanks to its octagonal shape. This amazing tent puts comfort first, and it has almost 170 square foot of spaces that offers enough room for sleeping spaces, luggage and furniture. This amazing tent puts comfort first, and it has almost 170 square foot of space that offers enough room for sleeping spaces, luggage and furniture. Also, the tent's standing height is over 7 feet throughout the entire tent, which allows you to walk around the tent without having to bend. It also has a detachable hanging partition wall, a patented D-door, and a good ventilation system. The tent has 360-degree view plus enhanced ventilation. This is the ideal family tent, especially if you're looking for comfortable camping. Its 6 large windows and mesh roof offers maximum air circulation. Its 2 hinged doors open like a real door for easy access. The tent is very sturdy and easy to pitch family-size octagon tent, and its color-coded steel poles are easy to set up and has a good response to wind. The flysheet can be removed and the tent transforms into a bug-proof screen room. It also comes with single extra large room with a removable partition curtain to segregate it into two areas. Thanks to Coleman's WeatherTech system with 2000mm HH combined with tipped seams and fully sewn-in ground sheet, this tent is 100% waterproof and will keep you dry whatever the weather is. This octagonal family tent is available on Amazon at $320. This is a tent for a 12th person with instant caving tent features and stress-free setup in less than 2 minutes. The poles of the tent are pre-attached to it and all you need to do is just unpack, unfold and extend. The spacious tent also features zippered privacy panels on doors and windows, has a large double door design for convenient and easy access to the tent. It has 4 hanging storage pockets so that your gears and necessary items are always close to your reach and has a gear loft with lantern hook. The tent also includes room divider that can be used to create a 3-room tent for separate living and sleeping spaces for better privacy and comfortability. The tent has a total 180 square foot of area and its 80-inch center height gives you enough room to walk around and move comfortably inside the cabin. With plenty of room available, you can either use air mattresses or sleeping bags to sleep in comfort. This tent is equipped with water-resistant peel-coated fabric and tape to keep moisture out. The water-repellent rain fly is removable in warmer weather to expose the mesh ceiling for panoramic views or stargazing on clear summer nights. Also, the advanced venting system uses the adjustable air intake vane designed to draw in cool air from the ground, while the mesh ceiling allows hot air to escape and keep you comfortable all season. This tent weighs around 20 kg and is available on Amazon at $300. The Paloma offers the tunnel tent design, but in more compact package. Its weather-protected ventilation can be found at the front and rear of the tent. The large front canopy further adds to the space as well as a larger weather-protected entrance to the tent. A breathable high-quality polycotton material that provides all the protection to the polyester materials whilst also offering superior comfort. The Campa Paloma 5 Air is a tent for friends and family camping for up to 5 people. Its classic material allows the tent to breathe, which reduces condensation and helps regulate the temperature, keeping the inside of the tent cooler on warm days. The spacious living area is further enhanced by the large crystal clear windows and mesh side door. For more privacy, there are blinds stored in easy store pockets beneath the windows which can be used to cover the windows. The daylight panels above the living area allow you a much more natural light to permeate into the tent, whereas the darker materials used at the rear of the tent keeps the sleeping pod darker. This allows you to sleep without having to worry about the light. The tent has an inflatable feature and comes with an external inflation points. It also comes with sewn-in ground sheet to keep you safe from bugs and keeps you waterproof. Its weather shield offers a high-quality 75T polyester fly sheet with a massive 6000mm hydrostatic head. The material is specially treated to offer advanced protection against UV degradation and is fire retardant. Also makes the tent waterproof even at a heavy pouring and adverse conditions. The tent is available on Amazon at below $550. Space is a very important factor within a tent, and the Valencia is designed to give you more than enough to store all your essentials and more. The tent features full stand-up height Imperial bedrooms so that you are not only granted ample space to get a great sleep, but also the storage space at the back means you can keep everything clutter-free and easily accessible. The Valencia can hold up to 6 people and also features new clear access bedrooms allowing you to easily move around the tent. It uses robust Sentinel Dura fabric, giving you peace of mind no matter the weather, and made from fire-retardant fabrics. The guidelines are highly visible, which making it easy to see in low light conditions. Its secure guying at the front and rear of the tent provides peace of mind in adverse conditions. The upright side walls of the tent increase the height within the tent, allowing you to fully maximize the internal space. The Valencia Air is quick to pitch and creates a strong and rigid structure. Its sewn-in ground sheet provides a bug and drought-free environment. The ground sheet is attached to the fly sheet with an external storm skirt to give an all-round protection, and a shelter entrance to your tent which provides rain from dripping into the living area. Besides being waterproof, the tent can also be cleaned very easily. This extra spacious tent is perfect for your family camping since you can store all your stuff inside and still left with ample space for living and housing camp furnitures. The space also contributes to comfortable living and camping experience as well as convenience. The tent weighs a little over 36 kg and available on online at around $1,300. Coleman Fast Pitch Air Valley 6-liter tent is a feature-rich tent that will bring comfortability and flexibility to any family camping trip, and a perfect tent for large groups of family and friends. Thanks to the Fast Pitch Air technology, the spacious family tent can be effortlessly set up by one person in under 10 minutes. It has 3 rooms of total 236 square foot, which is spacious enough for 6 people. Its 3-layer air pools with high-pressure valves are extremely robust and durable, providing stability and protection even in high winds. The Valdez 6-liter blackout bedrooms are also more spacious than the average tent bedroom, comfortably accommodating our larger double air beds and providing your family with plenty of space to relax. Its revolutionary blackout bedroom blocks up to 99% of daylight from entering the sleeping area, helping you to get a longer and more restful sleep. For ultimate flexibility, when not required, a bedroom can be removed, increasing the living space. The fast-pitch Valdez 6-liter has an extremely spacious porch which is large enough to house a table and chairs, providing the perfect place to relax. Heavy rain is no match for the polyester flysheet, and the flysheet combined with tough integrated polyethylene ground sheet ensures a dry and bog-free interior. Its patented rigid hinged door makes it quick and easy to come and go from your tent without having to unzip the doors. The tent's fabric is also fire retardant and extra convenient. Thanks to the zipper stoppers on the tent doors, which ensures that zips are always within easy reach in the event of an emergency, especially for the children. The fast-pitch air valves can easily be inflated, pitched, and dismantled in minutes, thanks to a revolutionary new Coleman technology. The tent weighs below 27 kg and also very spacious enough to store your stuff or use other camping furniture with ease. This family tent is available on Amazon at below $1,100.